Hi and welcome to the another unboxing of the gadget. As you can see, it is the mouse, gaming mouse, Luminous gaming mouse. So as you can see the side of this box and some specifications. Yeah. And the back side of this box and the side. And I purchased it from local market. It cost me around $10. It's very cheap gaming mouse. It's look like it's a you can say copy of gaming or cheaper gaming mouse, and you can see it have a lightning inside it. And let's get unbox it. See, at the front side you can see the wire of this mouse. This is the wire actually. And now slide it out. There you go. And let me out this. As you can see, cheaper unboxing. And that is the mouse actually. This is the mouse actual look. Let me just open the wire and see how much it long. And you can see it's very long wire, and it's a good quality, not a bad quality wire. And you can see cheap, but it's cool if you have enough budget, so you can buy it. And if you have, and it's cool, very handy. And now I'm showing you the lightning of this mouse and connected to the my power bank. That's the power bank, as you can see in my previous video. So I just connected to the power bank and see the lightning of this mouse. Maybe, yeah, as you can see, that's the lightning of this mouse. Now you can see it clearly. That is the mouse actual look. As you can see back, it's a laser mouse. You can see the laser. Maybe you cannot see clearly because in low lighting condition, but it's cool and a very stylish and cheap stylish looking mouse. And as you can see, the changing lighting. So that's it for now. If you enjoy this video, like it, and that's it. Bye.